Hey guys, it's boy Johan and welcome back to my channel Fatso. And in today's video, I have a really great laptop accessories for you guys as well as for me. And it is considered as a bit underrated because most of the people doesn't add it on their laptop. So this is the keyboard cover for your laptop. This is from Saco. Most of the people doesn't know the value of this. The main reason is most of the people right now it's a work from home season 2020 and 2021. So most of the people use their laptops a lot, and at the same time sometimes they'll eat while working or while playing, and sometimes your keyboard gets dirty, oily or dirty, or else sometimes the food goes inside the keyboard panel and all, and that's the reason sometimes ant goes in and your system gets corrupted and all. You'll lose a lot of money. You need to change the whole setup of your keyboard. Must use this product actually, and this product specifically, this product can be used for HP Pavilion series laptop. Any kind of HP Pavilion series laptop. My laptop is HP Pavilion gaming series, that is DK0272TX. If you haven't watched the video of this laptop, which is over here, this one, yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, so this laptop, if you haven't watched the video of this, the review, the link would be popping out either here or here, anywhere. So it will be popping out on your screen. So check out the review of this video, and yeah, I'll open it up and I'll show you how the product looks. Okay, so this is the product which I was talking about. So let's quickly open it up. I'll show you at the back what all things are there at the back. As you can see, the company name over here, Saco, and some of the details written over here. Pause it if you want, and feature as well over here. And the price of this keyboard cover is rupees 378. Where it is? Original price is 900. I don't know is it true or not, but I got this product for rupees 380. So let's quickly open it up and I'll show you how the product looks. So the product looks in this way. Before I had one keyboard cover which looks like this. Before I had this shit, literally this is shit. For 120 rupees I bought for two. Literally this is useless. Never buy this kind of keyboard cover. Doesn't even stick to my keyboard at all, and useless. I'll tell you, useless in the sense useless. And this is not at all visible. If you add this on your laptop, either you need to have a backlit keyboard, you can't even see the letters on the keyboard. So never buy this thing. Buy instead this is really good. So I'll paste it on my laptop. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this laptop is too much dirty. It's very dirty, and that's the reason why I need to add right now. Wait a second. Look at it. Just look at it. Perfect fit. Perfect fit, guys. Perfect fit. Perfect. Okay. After pasting it on my keyboard, this is how it looks. This looks very good, very clean and very neat. Even the backlight is visible and all. So it's really good. This is how it looks. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you want to purchase this particular product, that is if you want to buy it for your HP Pavilion series laptop, the link would be in the description below, so you can buy it out. And if you want to buy it for any other component, search Saco keyboard cover and type your laptop model number, model number or model name, and you'll get it. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like this. Make sure to hit the like button. Do comment down below if you have any queries. Please do subscribe to my channel. It gives me a lot of motivation to make more videos for you guys, and I see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Sayonara. Sayonara.